So guys, this is the aftermath. I feel like I'm a pregnant woman. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Amy, and you're so welcome to the Sunny Vibe Squads by Amy. Hashtag positive vibes, hashtag let your light shine. So as you have seen from the title of the video today we are cooking ugali. Yes, and if you know me, you know that I'm not a good ugali cook. Long story short, ugali and me, I'm not a really good cook when it comes to ugali. But today I'm craving ugali and beef stew. So I've decided, let me just cook the ugali. At least I'm alone. So if I get embarrassed, I'll just be embarrassing myself, okay? But you guys have decided to bring you along with me so that when I am embarrassing myself in the process, you guys are seeing the whole process too. So first thing is first, I have to go get the beef. I don't know if the butchery I always go to will be open because today is Sunday and he always goes to church. I don't know, maybe he's back by now because it's lunchtime, it's almost 2, so let's hope he's there. So I have to go get beef and I don't have some onions, so I have to go buy them. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and join this family. So guys, I am from the butchery. Like I suspected, it's closed. I feel so bad, and the way the sun is scorching out there, so it's closed. So I'll go at a different time, but I decided to update you because maybe by then the light would have changed and I didn't want it to be confusing. Okay, so let's just hope that by 3 or 4 he'll be around so that I can cook lunch stroke dinner. Guys, I've literally just been yawning and yawning. I'm so hungry. It's almost 5. I'm so hungry to the point of I can't stand. When I stand, my legs are shaking. Anyway, so let's go to the butchery. Hopefully this time it's opened and we can get the meat. I'm back, guys. I was so hungry. I got me some 2 donuts. Yes. So I bought the meat. It's boiling. One thing about me, I like my meat soft and tender, so I always put enough water and I always season it with salt when it boils. My mom told me that's a way to make it tender, and yes, when I tried it, it did. So I bought a few things here. I've also bought some Minute Maid, the tropical flavor. I love juice. I love Minute Maid, so I've got it. I've also bought some few groceries, which is onions and this pili hoho for seasoning. Okay, so while the food cooks, let that boil, and then when I cook, I'll get back to you. Guys, since I'm a Luya, this is how we always taste if ugali has ivad. You take your ugali, you make a ball, and then you throw it on the wall. If it sticks on the wall, it is not yet cooked. But if it falls down, it is cooked. Here is my ugali ball. Hot, hot. It's falling. It's not sticky. My ugali is ready. Now let me serve it so that you guys can see, okay? And then I will rate it when I eat it. So guys, my food is ready. It has taken me like 30 minutes to cook everything. So I want to show you guys, and disclaimer, my stew is darker. The soup stew is darker because I always like to add masala in my meat because it makes it taste even much better, but it also makes the soup a little bit darker. So guys, this is the ugali that I've cooked, so hot, and the beef stew. I'm a Luya, guys, so fingers of course, and I hope it's not dark. Yes, something like that. So since it's currently 5, I'm like eating like a late lunch stroke early dinner. We have my juice here, and let me dig in. Guys, ugali imeiva, like it has cooked. The meat is tender. I'm so hungry. It's hot. I don't know if I'm a great cook or if I was just so hungry, but the food is so good. Guys, I hate ugali, only like it with meat. Ugali and meat slaps differently. Oh, hot. Hot, hot. I also love taking greens, veggies, but I was so hungry I didn't even have the time to stand there for the mama mboga to cut for me the veggies. This is just delish, guys. Okay, so guys, I want to enjoy my meal while I watch Legacies. So I'll catch you in the flippity flip, whereby I'll have finished everything, okay? Bye bye. So guys, this is the aftermath. I finished all the ugali. So guys, I am done with eating. I'm so full, I'm so sweaty, like it's so hot. I have eaten until I'm feeling so hot. So right now I just have water with me. The water. You see, I'm even short of breath. I can't even talk. So right now I just want to continue enjoying my juice. Yes, and it's getting dark now. That's why the lighting is changing. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Yes. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye, love.